Well, welcome to my new channel, and this is going to be a channel that sits alongside my other YouTube channel, Footsteps and Tire Tracks. On this channel, we're going to do more home-based projects, DIY sort of stuff, electronics, home automation, typical sort of stuff you would do at home, whether it be like a little electronic project, whether it be a garage tool. We'll do reviews on tools as we use them. We have various DIY projects coming up. It's all sorts of stuff that's not going to sit on my standard YouTube channel, but I still want to do it, and I want to show you how I cope with these things. I'm not the world's best DIYer, and Via tell you that. In actual fact, I quite hate DIY, but hopefully, watching this, you might hate DIY as well, and we'll go together and we'll just see how well we can do. Now, it's going to be all sorts of things. In this garage, as you can see at the moment, there's lots of bits and pieces I want to do here. I want to put a heater in the garage. I want to make the floor better. You've got a horrible floor in here. I want to sort that out. There's lots and lots and lots of projects I've got to do. On this channel, we're going to adventure together, and that's from the other channel, isn't it? Whoops. Can we say that on two channels? I don't know. What we're going to do on this channel is we are going to learn together and go forward. There'll be all sorts of bits and pieces. It'll be DIY, electronics, and whether the DIY be mechanical, be electrical, it'll be all sorts of various different bits and pieces. Even some IT stuff thrown in, is because I come from an IT background. That's what I do as a profession. And there's lots of little things I figure I do that probably people want to know about, want to know themselves how to do it. So I'm going to share some of those bits and pieces as well. I'll share some insider secrets, or I don't even know if they're secrets. Just show you some insider bits and pieces. Anyway, welcome to my new channel, and I hope you stick along, and enjoy what I'm doing. And if you are, please give the channel a thumbs up, subscribe to see what happens, so you can get notified when these videos will be a bit more sporadic than the other channel. I'm hoping to keep Footsteps and Tire Tracks on a regular posting. This channel is going to be a bit more as and when I have the time to do these videos. So it won't necessarily be every week. It'll be when I've got a project, and we'll take you through a project, and we'll just show you how I've coped with it. Anyway, if you watch me this far, thanks so much, and welcome to the channel. We don't even have a proper name for it yet, do we? But we will have soon. See you later.